Dr. Ram is here, and he's holding his prasad.
Namo Narayan.
Namo Narayan.
Namo Narayan.
Namo Narayan. He's saying. And people are selling things, and there's this long line. Now we just got in here.
Yes.
And these people in front of me, I dropped chai on them by mistake, and I try to do my best to follow the customs, but I'm not always very good at all of the customs. I'm seeing that a lot of people are carrying up their prasad. They're getting in the line, and they come from all over India, and this is the big moment.
That is River Alaknanda.
River Alaknanda.
Yes. Here the
And here, hello.
Yes.
They both took a bath this morning in the hot springs.
Yes.
Mostly men are doing that. And I watch, the women watch, and the women enjoy watching all of the men in the bath in the hot springs. And that's before they get the prasad. And this is the longest line.